A landscaper is building a 75-foot fence to border a tract of land. If he places a stake every 2.5 feet, how many stakes will he need? So we're going to divide 75 by 2.5. I'm going to change the 2.5 into a improper. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5 over 2. And this 75 becomes an improper fraction as well, over 1. And then I'm going to take the reciprocal of the second fraction, and that makes it 2 over 5. And the division becomes a multiplication. I can cross simplify here and get my numbers a little smaller. Oops, 75 divided by 5 goes in once. It goes in 5, so not 25, but 15. It's always better to check your work than take a guess there. 15 times 2 is 30, and 1 times 1 is 1, and that simplifies to 30. Now, this is a very important problem to go back and read your answer, to go back and read the question and check your answer, because what they're saying is there's going to be a stake every 2.5 feet. Now, in applying that in a real-life situation, you know that the fence has to start out with a stake as well. So although the stakes come every 2.5 feet, see if we were doing this every 2.5 feet until you hit the end and so on, notice that you need to add an extra one to the front. So instead of 30 stakes, which is what the math tells us, we need to think in the real life application the fence has to start out with a stake as well. So it would use 31 stakes. Thank you for watching Educator.com.